The 6302 front-wheel E-Trike is a modern reverse electric trike designed to provide riders with comfort, stability, and an enjoyable riding experience. Powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor, the E-Trike can reach speeds of up to 16 miles per hour and offers both pedal assist and throttle modes for smooth and effortless acceleration. Its 48-volt 10.4 Ah battery allows riders to travel between 18 and 40 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for short commutes and recreational rides. One of its standout features is the innovative leaning system, which enables the trike to lean naturally into turns, creating a riding sensation similar to that of a traditional bicycle despite its three-wheel configuration. For safety and reliable stopping power, the trike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes. Comfort is further enhanced through its low step-through frame design and wide backrow seat, making mounting, dismounting, and long rides easier and more relaxing for users of different ages and mobility levels. The vehicle includes two 16-inch front wheels and one 20-inch rear wheel, contributing to balance and maneuverability. Additional features such as a reverse function and a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain improve convenience and riding versatility across different terrains and conditions. Combining innovative engineering, comfort-focused design, and practical performance, the 6302 front-wheel E-Trike offers a unique alternative to standard bicycles and tricycles. With a price tag of approximately $1,999, it appeals to riders seeking stability, ease of use, and modern electric mobility in a stylish and functional package.